The cost of dominance. The $18 billion price tag for a single hull has sent shockwaves through Congress, but the U.S. Navy claims the Trump-class BBG-X is the only way to survive a Mach 10 world. At 35,000 tons, the USS Defiant is a massive departure from the stealthy, smaller ships of the last 2 decades. This golden fleet strategy bets everything on size and power. To field the 600-kilowatt lasers and electromagnetic railguns required to stop modern drone swarms and hypersonic missiles, the Navy needed a ship that functions as a floating nuclear power plant. Critics call it a giant target and a fiscal disaster, arguing that $18 billion could buy an entire fleet of smaller, expendable drones. But the Pentagon's truth is simpler. In the 2030s, if you don't have the onboard electrical gigawatts to power a directed energy shield, you are already a sinking ship. The high-stakes shield. The gamble isn't just about the money, it's about the arsenal ship philosophy. The USS Defiant carries over 140 missile cells, including the terrifying conventional prompt strike hypersonics. For the first time, a surface ship is being designed to break A2AD bubbles, the high-tech no-go zones created by enemy long-range sensors. By combining a 32 megajoule railgun with an infinite magazine of laser fire, the BBG-X aims to make incoming missiles irrelevant by destroying them at a fraction of the cost of a traditional interceptor. This is the truth behind the $18 billion the Navy is moving away from hiding in the shadows and toward holding the line with overwhelming force. If the USS Defiant succeeds, it resets the balance of power in the Pacific for 50 years. If it fails, it could be the most expensive lesson in naval history. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button and also please subscribe to our channel so that we can continue to bring you more great stories from the U.S. military and their allies around the world.